What's up, everyone? Thanks for stopping in. All right, if you caught the other two videos, perhaps three, about the air leak carburetor and air leak in your engine, hopefully those little repair videos might help somebody out. That's why I do them. That's what I'm about. I'm here for the people. All right, anyway, we were sitting around the shop the other day. I don't know how we got talking about old times and riding BMX bikes and jumping ramps. But then as we got talking about that, the little light bulb went on and we thought, we have not tried to jump a motorized bike yet. So that's what we're working on today. We're going to see how that works out. So let me make sure I got all my stuff. We are at a closed course and we do have a professional rider, so don't try this at home. All right, our rider ought to be getting here sometime shortly. So make sure I haven't forgotten anything. Helmet, equipment, some trusty gloves. That's about all we need for now. We're going to start out small, work our way up. So we're going to start out with our couple planks and got a couple other blocks to load on there. So let me get that going, and by then our rider ought to be here. All right then, our rider is arriving.
What's up?
What's up?
Oh.
Okay, we have our professional rider. His professionally riding bike, his gear to put on. We're gonna get suited up and give this a shot.
All ready?
Yeah, man, we'll take a quick test run or whatnot, and whenever you're comfortable, that's when we'll try to jump something. A little something, something. And like I stated before, don't try this at home. We have a professional rider on a closed course, as you can see. No traffic. We've never attempted this before, so we're going to give it a shot. All right, our first test pass. And he's made it, ladies and gentlemen. 5 nostalgic race cars, all in a row. And there they are. Don't try this at home.